welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chioma. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm so happy to be here again. So I just filmed a makeup tutorial and I don't know which one of the videos would come first. This video is a head wrap tutorial, so I'll be using this raw silk material to tie my head, and I'm pretty much be showing you like 3 hairstyles or 3 head wrap styles that you can tie with this raw silk. Like if you don't have gele, you can actually rock this and look classic and elegant. So the first style that I'll be doing a kind of a pleated gele style. Those are pleated gele. I'll be using this material, so this is about 60 inches long if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to fold it. I'm going to fold it into 2 parts. Okay, I'm going to place this on my head. I should have ironed this, but I didn't have much time, so I'm just going to take this like this, and I'm going to fold it at the back. Instead, okay, I'm going to tie this at the back. So after tying it at the back, I'm going to take this part and I'm just going to flip it over this way. It's been long I did this. God, I hope I'm doing it right.
Right now I'm going to go ahead and create a pleat from the middle, and then I'm going to tie it at the back of my head. After tying, I'm going to go ahead and create pleats. Just watch. I don't know how to explain it, but you can see what I'm doing. I'm just creating little pleats from bottom to top, and then I'm going to go ahead and arrange these pleats so that they all come out nice. And then I'm going to take my pin and just pin my head tie together so that it doesn't move and the pleats do not separate.
So this is the first style. It's so easy to create, though I struggled a lot because I'm trying to look into my camera instead of an actual mirror. So this is the first look and I really love this. It's so simple, it's so classy. It's you can never go wrong going to a party like this. So I really love this style. So this second style is another favorite style. Very easy to create, like very much easier than the first one that I tried. So I'm still going to divide into 2 like this, and I'm going to place it on my head like this. And okay, I'm going to tie this at the back. Okay, I think I like it like this. So I'm just going to do this not too tight because I want it to look a bit full. And then I'm going to take it to the back and I'm just going to tie it together with the one at the back, and then I'm going to tuck it in at the back. Okay, so this style should be like this. You can actually like place a pin here and a pin here just to secure your head tie and you're good to go for the whole day. Like, this is so elegant too, and classy and chic. God, I'm sweating and my fan is on. So this is just so easy and sweet. I really love this. Like, you cannot go wrong looking this chicky and the fly. Mm. So yes, I'm going to move on to the next style I'm going to show you now. So this next style I'm going to show you, it's also very simple. I guess the style gets easier as it goes, and this is the last one I'm going to do today because I'm running out of time. I would have done like 5 styles, but let's just stop here. And if you'd like to see more head wrap styles, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to do more videos like this. So I'm going to I'm still dividing my wrapper, and this one is going to be into 2 equal halves, and I'm just going to place it on my head, and I'm going to tie it together. Like this. Okay, and now that I know that it's firm, I'm going to go ahead and give it another tie. This is because I'm trying to create a mountain on my head. So I'm going to go ahead and do something like this. So I'm just trying to, you know, cover up what I've done here, and then I'm going to take a safety pin and I'm going to pin this down. This pin is rusted. God, apparently I don't have any good safety pin here, they're all rusted, so I'm just going to improvise. So I've tied it again, and I'm just going to try and tuck it in instead of putting a pin. So I'm just going to wrap this together and then tuck it inside the ones that have the pre-woven head wraps. I'm just going to tuck it in properly. And yeah, this is the final look. So I've tucked it in properly. This should not move. I really love this style. It's like, this would be my go-to style if I was going to tie my hair. So anyway, this is more chic. Like, you can wear this with any outfit. You can tie this style of head wrap and wear any outfit of your choice, and you would look fab and amazing. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys for sticking by. If you've watched up to this point, that means you enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, click on the notification bell icon so you get all notifications of my videos when I upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you. Mwah.